Hello guys, welcome to my channel GMZone. A review on MIRATEL. MIRATEL is a way whereby people can easily make money, but it is not as easy whereby if you cannot refer someone into the platform, because at the moment whereby you've been referred to this platform by someone and you cannot be able to refer someone to this platform, then you cannot make any dime money, because at the moment from first the person will come to you paying for a coupon code, and once you are paid for the coupon code, the company is going to get from the coupon code, and the person that referred you is going to get from the coupon code. But what you have to do, as the person has referred you into this platform, also you must also refer someone to the platform so that you can be able to earn and make your own money. Forget the fact that someone is telling you that make money and withdraw instantly. It is not done that way. It is a lie. You have to refer someone before you make money under MIRATEL. That's just the point. MIRATEL is not different. Is no different from Flow Extra. MIRATEL, it is no different from pure network intel. MIRATEL is no different from smart network. All of these which I have just mentioned are all the same. So kindly know and note that before you join MIRATEL, you have to refer a lot of people before you can make money on the platform. Yeah, though it can be legit, yes, sure, but you have to refer, because without you referring, there's no way whereby you can make money. Whether you come by coming to this thing by what's it called, you do sponsor posts or you do daily logins, forget it. It's not going to really make money for you until when you refer, because that's where the company really makes their money, and those people that are being paid. Thank you. Bye.